Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have got an exciting topic for you. Real estate crowdfunding for passive income. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just getting started, this video will cover the basics, how to get started, and the pros and cons of this investment strategy. So let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with the basic. What exactly is real estate crowdfunding? Real estate crowdfunding is a method of pooling funds from multiple investors to invest in real estate properties, often through online platforms. It's a way for individuals to invest in real estate projects without the hassle of being a landlord or the need for substantial upfront investment. Now that you know what it is, let's talk about how you can get started with the real estate crowdfunding. Step 1. Choose a real estate crowdfunding platform. There are various platforms out there, each with its own selection of project and investment requirements. Do your research to find the right one for you. Step 2. Diversify your investments. Spread your investments across different projects to reduce risk. In this way, you are not putting all your eggs in one basket. Step 3. Do your due diligence. Before investing, research the properties, the platform, and the management team. Check out the property's location, potential returns, and associated fee. Step 4. Determine your investment amount. Many platforms have a minimum investment requirement. Be sure you are comfortable with the amount you are committing. Now let's move on to the pros and cons of real estate crowdfunding for passive income. Pros. Number 1. Diversification. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to diversify your investment across various properties. Number 2. Accessibility. It's more accessible than traditional real estate investments, as you can get started with a relatively small amount. Number 3. Passive income. Enjoy rental income and potential property appreciation without being a landlord. Cons. Number 1. Risk. Real estate investment always comes with some level of risk, include market fluctuations and potential projects failure. Number 2. Limited control. You have limited say in the management of the property compared to owning it yourself. Number 3. Liquidity. Your investment might not be as liquid as stocks or other assets, so be prepared for a longer term commitment. In conclusion, real estate crowdfunding can be a fantastic way to generate passive income and diversify your investment portfolio. However, like any investment, it's not without its risks. It's crucial to do your homework, choose the right platform to make the most of this opportunity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And as always, feel free to leave your questions and comments down below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.